guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Joey.
Hello there, everybody.
I love this man so much. He's one of my favorite people in the entire world.
Oh, Blueberry just got jealous. She said, "Who the hell do you love?"
She's
A wild
curled up on her
Blueberry
feet.
appeared.
I invited Joey over today because I wanted to celebrate season 4 of Escape the Night, and a big thank you to YouTube Originals for sponsoring this video.
Oh my gosh, Rosanna is back and she's ready to fight for her life a second time.
Yes, I am. It is here, and you can watch it on Joey's channel. I'll put a link down below, so go watch it if you haven't already. It is out. It is amazing. I had so much fun filming, and some of you may be wondering if you didn't see my update video, Ro, but didn't you die in
she's
season
already
3?
dead. What the heck?
How are you in season 4?
Well,
I'm an angel.
you are that. But actually, it's an all-star season, so Ro is with a bunch of other YouTubers who also have died.
Yes.
And I'm on a rescue mission to save my friends who've died and give them a second chance of living.
So yay, Team Cinnamon Roll is back.
Yes, she is.
And
Oh
go
my gosh.
watch it, check it out, and you have to tell me what is your favorite episode, because I have a few, and I don't want to spoil anything, so
Right.
even if you haven't started, you haven't seen the episodes, I don't want to spoil it, but...
Some of these pancake art that we're going to be doing today has to do with aspects from this season upcoming.
Right.
But we're not going to give you too many details about what they are, but just a little sneak peek of what's to come.
A little taste. My sister Mo made these, so I apologize in advance if they're too hard or they're too easy.
Oh gosh, I'm not the greatest at this.
Okay, so we have these little grills,
Yep.
and we have pancake batter dyed all these different colors to choose from. And Joey, since you're the guest, I'm gonna have you pick the first item. So we both have to create that pancake. We have 1 minute.
First one up is a key.
Ooh.
Now, there are a lot of keys in Escape the Night because it's a clue-solving show where we solve clues, we open chests and whatnot, but this season, each episode we're collecting the jeweled keys, and each key is a different jewel. So I think we should make the jeweled key.
All right, we will do that. So Joey, we're gonna have 1 minute on the clock to make our
gosh.
pancake art. Mike, you got it on the clock?
Yeah.
Okay, on your mark, get set, pancake.
Okay.
Pancake.
All right.
Oh gosh, I can't remember what color the gems were. This was one of the colors, I know.
I actually don't think that this is the key shape at all, but...
No, were they brown or black?
30 seconds.
No,
30
no, no,
seconds?
No, no,
Oh, no, we lost power.
No, the
Oh,
power
no.
went out. Oh no, my pancake. Oh my gosh, Joey, yours look.
Oh no! Oh no, my pancake! Oh no! Get back in there! Oh.
So we got the power back on, and I think we should just see what they look like.
Oh yeah, let's see. Let's see what they look like, bro. Not
Joey,
one to
let's see
even.
yours. I'm really excited.
Mine's still very raw.
Oh, it's still cooking.
Funny
Quick.
story while we're waiting.
Yes.
Well, actually, not a funny story. The first night we were filming, we lost power on set.
Oh,
and
that's right.
It was so stressful. I was like, oh my God, it's ruined. The whole show canceled. So we waited an extra hour just waiting in the Egyptian exhibit.
So we just recreated it here for you,
reenactment, yes.
Joey. Oh wow, let's compare these keys, and we're gonna let you guys choose who won every round.
No, that's not what's happening. We are going to have a rematch on this because I couldn't see, it was dark, and then this isn't even a key, this is a blood splatter.
Joey, look at your key.
Yours looks like a flower, so.
Okay, let's do a round 2. Let's do a rematch. I will give you that. We did have a power outage and you did have an explosion.
I absolutely
But
did.
moving forward, if an explosion happens,
You gotta go with it.
gotta go with it.
Okay.
Mike, 1 minute on the clock. Go.
Okay. Round 2 is gonna be so much better.
I am following you,
Oh, this
and
is
I'm doing the
great.
top of this key to make like a bigger key.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
really
do a
weird
red
now.
gem.
I'm
30
really-
seconds.
No,
Oh my gosh,
no, no,
okay.
No. Halfway there, we're not ready.
Okay,
We're not
yeah.
ready.
Oh gosh, I
Okay,
went a
okay,
little
okay.
out of the lines.
Oh, no, don't burn. Yours looks
Oh.
so good, Joey.
Thanks. keys. Yours is a little brown. I don't remember the keys being brown actually, so that's interesting.
Were they not?
They were gold, but sure we'll go with brown.
Those two-
This is gonna be a.
That doesn't look like a
Oh god!
diamond.
Oh god! Oh!
Joey!
Wow! Yours looks like a poop with some corn caught in there.
It's beautiful!
Wow!
Okay, Joey, I can actually tell that yours is a key. So, yeah, let us know in the comments below which keys you like. I'm liking Joey's because, oh man, this does kind of look like poop. It's just kind of a blob.
Just a
and
little bit.
It's like, this isn't even a diamond. Okay, cool. Are you ready?
Moving on.
I'm gonna pick this one. Here we
Okay.
go, here we go. Boom! That's a sarcophagus. A
sarcophagus, yes.
Sarcophagus. Sarcophagus.
Syndeconophagus.
A sarcophagus.
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 In this season, we're in a museum, and each episode is a different exhibit, and this is the Egyptian exhibit.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set. Decorate. Go.
Okay.
Go. I don't think this looks very good.
Oh gosh, I hope I have enough time
This
for
is
this.
an arm.
Oh.
I forgot the face, so that's not great. This is too quick. Oh no, our reference photo.
30
How
seconds.
am I ever gonna? Okay, I gotta fill it in.
Okay.
Joey's, yours is so good.
A lot of mustard on that one. Oh
Woo!
my gosh. I'm very excited for your flip.
Oh.
Oh, the flip. Get ready.
Flip.
Bro, that's so good.
It kind of looks like it.
That definitely looks like a sarcophagus.
Would you know what this is?
Yeah.
Or does it just look like a big fat caterpillar?
Or that. Okay, I'm ready for the flip.
Okay, flip.
Ooh.
Oh,
okay.
yours is cool. It
Okay.
kind of looks like a sarcophagus meets a bumblebee.
Absolutely. Final reveal.
Okay, ready? Boom! Let us know down below which one looks like a sarcophagus, because I'm not sure if mine does. I like that you chose a feature and made it really detailed.
Yeah.
All right, Joey.
Moving on.
All right. What is it?
It is the Society Against Evil symbol. So this symbol is in all the seasons. And Ro, you're feeling a little sketchy about them this season, aren't ya?
I feel like I'm always been sketchy about them, that group.
What's your theory on them?
They're like an Illuminati group. They're like a secret group. They say they're the Society Against Evil fights evil, but every time this symbol shows up, I feel
Something
like
bad happens.
yeah, something bad happens, and I also feel like, who's this society?
60 seconds on the clock. Are you ready, Ro?
Oh, I'm ready to pipe this secret society. Oh, I'm gonna give them something.
On your mark.
Yep.
Get set. Go.
I got their new logo.
Oh, they have a new logo?
Yeah, I'm creating a new logo for them.
Thank you. I think I went a little too big.
All
All right, we're going with a lot of brown. We're gonna cover
Yeah.
this up. This is very poopy.
I agree. I agree. You don't know where you stand. We don't even know who's leading it. We don't even know who's involved. Whoa!
Above and beyond here.
Joey.
This did not need to happen.
I think this is the biggest pancake you've ever made.
Absolutely. I'm
Here,
gonna need both
this-
spatulas. I'm gonna need 4
You're gonna need
spatulas.
both of these. Here, I'll flip this one. Oh, I'll let it burn a little bit. Wait till the smoke's coming out of there. Yep, good. We got smoke. All right, here it is.
Wow! Oh my god, that is not the symbol.
I don't trust them.
That looks like a sad face.
Yeah, oh.
Is that what it looks like?
So weird.
Here we go for the flip. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, Joey. Oh my gosh, Joey.
Oh.
Oh.
That actually looks pretty cool.
That looks beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, that makes me wish I would have done one.
Yeah. Well, you didn't, so.
Well, I should have, because that's
You just
really
want
cute.
to be shady about a society that cares about going against evil. Maybe you're the evil.
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't start this society.
But you're against a society that's against evil. Plot twist. Rosanna's the villain of the season.
Oh my gosh, I am the society for evil. Boom! Society Against Evil. This is their logo.
Which one won?
Here we go. This is a little raptor.
This is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna just go for a
So
classic
Joey,
dino.
they got 3.
Oh,
3
girl,
little
I'm not that
hands
focused on
and
that.
3 little feet. So you can make them green or any color too, because we don't know what color they were.
Right.
Yeah, we don't
Wait,
know.
we don't?
No.
Oh, we don't.
1 minute on the clock. Get set. Decorate. And then we need their little arms. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Oh gosh, I don't know what the heck
2,
I'm doing.
3. 1,
Oh my
2,
god, I don't
3.
know what happened. Is there only one green?
Uh-oh.
She
Okay,
snagged
here,
it.
I'll get
no,
I can
it's fine.
share.
I have
can
a blue
share.
dino.
Oh, I forgot his
Okay.
teeth. We need teeth.
Oh,
And then-
white teeth. That's a good idea.
Ouch.
White teeth. Here we come. Oh my god, my dinosaur is not good.
Time.
Oh,
Yours is so cute.
yours is so much better.
Yours looks like a long neck.
It does.
Yours looks like a Bronchiosaurus. Okay, I'm just gonna be like, you can.
Oh no, Ro! Save it. Save him.
No!
Save him, Ro.
No,
Ow!
Ow! No!
Oh no, Ro. What did you do? Ro, he's
Joey, don't look over here.
gone.
Just do it. Just.
he's gone, Ro. There's nothing you can do. He's no longer with us, Ro.
No! Cookie, don't eat that! I got it! So here's my dinosaur.
It reminds me of like a fruit roll-up. When
Really?
you bunch them together and
Yes. Oh, fruit roll-ups are the best. So I feel like I'm still in it. Joey, yours is adorable and mine
Dun, dun,
looks
dun,
like it should be on an episode
Woo!
of Nailed It.
okay, these dinosaurs are really going extinct now.
This dinosaur round was really great, you guys. Check them out. Let us know what you think down below. Which dinosaur do you like more? I like Joey's.
We tried.
Yeah, we tried. We did a good job. Okay, ready.
Up next is dun, 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 our outfits from season 4.
I'll pipe your outfit. You pipe mine.
Okay.
Joey was wearing the most adorable. It was so cute. It was like a brown leather-like jacket with
Very
his,
Indiana Jones.
Yeah, it was Indiana Jones with a little bit of Harry Potter vibes because he had circle glasses.
Yeah.
And then what
And
was
you
I
had
wearing?
Cute, a blue and white polka dotted dress with a cute little hat.
Yeah, a little like 40s hat. And you can't forget my white gloves, like my very white 40s gloves.
Oh my. Okay. I think we should have like 2 minutes for this one.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Get set. Pipe our characters. Here we go. Joey, are your eyes blue or green?
Green-ish blue.
Green and blue. Little green, little blue, and then green. I don't even know how to pipe your hair, but we just need a lot of beautiful Joey hair. Okay, but then you got these cute little glasses.
Your polka dots are down. Now I'm gonna add in your blue to your dress, even though this is not the right shade. Oh, bro, what did you do to me?
I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do this. Let me get your red tie, and let me get your sweater. You need your green sweater under.
Bro, is that what you think of me? I'm a blob.
Joey, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna save it. I'm just gonna pipe your top
you
half.
better. I'm making you so freaking adorable over here.
Oh my gosh, Joey, that is so cute. That's me.
Yeah.
Wait, we need a hat. We need a blue hat.
Oh, right.
Joey, that is so cute. I'm in love. This is my favorite pancake you made. I'm like having
Same.
memories. This might be okay. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that does not look like you.
No, I see the resemblance.
That got really out of control, Joey. I'm very sorry.
Bro.
Joey, just give it a chance.
Okay, I'm flipping you.
Oh my gosh, you even got the polka dots! Joey! Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Thank you. Although your eyes, well, you're a cyclops. What is happening to
I
me?
think you're having like an air bubble. Oh my gosh.
Now you're beating
Oh
me.
my God.
All right, let's have a reveal.
No.
3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. Gorgeous. Wait, I'm sorry. Were you looking at which photo were you looking at?
They're identical. I mean, can you kind of... No? Okay, get ready for our last pancake art.
A lion. For Rose promo, which I'm sure you guys already saw, she roared at a lion. She was so fierce.
And that lion was with us.
60 seconds on the clock.
Ready,
Set,
go.
Go.
I'm gonna be so gentle. No explosions this time. Oh, they have like bigger noses. They're like this big and they go up and they go up. Oh, I think I just did 2 mouths.
I don't know what the heck I'm making. What is going on?
If there's an explosion now, Joey, I'm like, just bring it on.
Yeah, same.
Because I got a baseline here, and I think this is really gonna do me good here.
What are you doing?
I'm making fur. No, I can't do that because it won't fill in. Oh, shoot. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Okay.
Uh-oh, now I want an explosion because Ness is not covering fast enough. Where
No!
are we? Where are
No! You jinxed me! You said I want an explosion! I got the explosion! Oh, time.
we? Is it time? Yeah. I'm not ready. It's not filled in yet. There's holes.
This was a fail. Rose, that's so cute!
Okay, it's a really simple cat.
You got the face? Okay, I definitely did not get the face right. All right, ready?
Oh!
Set. Oh!
Oh, it does. We see a face.
Okay.
Look at those details. All right, ready,
Set. Reveal.
Ooh, roar! Look at these little lions over here.
I definitely think that you won this round.
This looks like baby art.
Not scary like Escape the Night,
No,
but
or realistic.
mine's definitely like a mangled lion that got attacked.
But you've got all the tones, you got all the colors, like multi-toned.
All right, you guys know the drill. Vote on who you think won this round down below.
All right, Joey, what are your favorite pancakes? My favorite are this little kid lion.
This one. No, sorry. This one was my favorite.
That was your favorite?
Because it looks just like me.
Identical.
The Cyclops Rosanna. So cute.
It's so cute. You got so many details right that I'm actually in love with
I
it.
actually really like this Fight Against Evil one.
Same, it's beautiful
Looks
actually.
like my patch
Yeah.
on my outfit.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Your first key was
My
gorgeous.
first key was really good.
It's really good. It's on the same level as these two. They should just
should party together.
start a band. Let us know in the comments below what pancake was your favorite today, because we have a few favorites going on here. And also let us know which pancake was the most disaster today. We have a lot to choose from as well.
That's probably what the bigger competition is. Which one was the worst?
Who had the worst pancake? That should be a show.
Yes.
A big thank you to you guys for suggesting a pancake art video, and a big thank you to Joey for coming over today and baking with me. This was so much fun. And if you haven't already, go check out season 4 of Escape the Night over on Joey's channel.
Yay!
So many things.
Such a crazy season. You guys are
So
gonna
many
see
cool
Ro
things.
in ways that you've never seen her before. She has some crazy hidden talents that get revealed in this season.
Oh!
It's gonna be a good
little
one.
bit. I tried everything I could, you know, to escape the night. And there was some crazy stuff. As you can see from these pancakes, dinosaurs, lions, society against evil.
All the things.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And go subscribe to Joey. Go follow him. Go show him some love because he is
you.
amazing. And I just love Escape the Night, and I cannot believe I got to be in Escape the Night season 3 and season 4. I had so much fun. I made some other videos about it, and I will link to them over here and over here so you can check it out, learn more about it, and just enjoy it. And a big thank you to YouTube Originals for sponsoring this video. All right, bye you guys.